I'm Robert Cohen from London. I'm a cellist. Well, I've been touring as a soloist since I was 19 years old, so that's quite a few years. Well, I think the magic of live concerts is really because that is where music lives. And as performers, what we're doing is taking the music of the great geniuses of the past and of today, and we are giving what we understand about those to the audience. It's a gift. From us, you feel the resonance, the vibration of the music as we create it, and it arrives in your body and through your ears and through your skin. And you will never get that sensation unless you're sitting there or just being in the room, feeling it being created and being received. That is something that we feel you cannot experience outside of a concert situation. And we live for that, and I believe the audience can also live for it too.